Hello everyone. So in this video, I want to show you job opportunities that have visa sponsorship. So if you want to migrate abroad for work, then you really need to watch this video because I'll be showing you those jobs you can apply for in different industries, different occupations, different roles. You can apply for them. They have visa sponsorship. Some of them even have relocation package, like they pay for your flight ticket, they pay for your accommodation, and everything that has to do with your relocation. All right. So they are really amazing jobs. Some of them you don't even need a degree. Some you don't need like much work experience. So there's something for everyone in this video. So do watch the video to the end so you can see the opportunities I'll be sharing here. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe if you want to be seeing more videos like this. On this channel, I share information that's going to help you in your relocation journey, whether you want to move abroad for work or for study, or you just want to go live in a different country. I have information that is going to help you with this. So do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thanks for the support. I truly appreciate you. And if you want to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email so we can get to talk about your own personal needs. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So the jobs I'll be showing you in this video are all visa sponsorship jobs. They are open to applicants, foreign applicants that are outside of Canada. So if you've been following my channel, you know that I do share those sort of videos, right? Sort of jobs that are for people that are outside of Canada. So if you're outside Canada looking for a job, then this video is for you. And if you're also in Canada looking for a job, this video is for you as well. So this particular one here is for a small engine and equipment mechanic. And the job is in Ontario. Salary is quite high, $24 per hour, and you work for 40 hours a week. So that is, a lot of salary. And there are 3 vacancies for this particular job. It's a permanent position. You'll be required to work day, weekend, overtime, on call, and other times to be determined as well. So those are the details they put in regarding the work schedules. All right. So if you want day, weekend, overtime, and on call, it's available. And then morning is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Right? Okay. So they need someone that can start as soon as possible, right? And this job is, for English speakers, it's an English job. And for education, is secondary school graduation certificates that they are asking for or equivalent experience. And then 1 year to less than 2 years is the experience they're looking for. So if you've worked for 1 to 2 years in this position, then you can apply for this job. A university degree is not needed. As a matter of fact, all the jobs that I'm going to be showing in this video are for people that don't have a university degree. As in, if you don't have, you can apply for the job. But if you have, right, and you still feel like you want to apply, then go ahead and apply. So worksite environment is confined spaces, dusty, and odors. And the work setting, relocation cost is covered by the employer. So the employer will get to pay for the relocation cost. It's not on you, the employer, the employee, right? It's on the employer. The employer will pay everything that has to do with the relocation for you to start this new job. And you must be willing to relocate. Obviously, you must be willing to relocate, all right? And then for the task for these jobs, you will estimate repair costs. You will inspect and test engines and motors to diagnose and isolate faults or replace parts using hand tools and equipment. You will test and adjust repaired equipment for proper performance. You will perform scheduled maintenance service on equipment. You will advise customers on work performed and condition of equipment. You will review work orders and discuss work with supervisor. So these are the tasks for the job. Is clearly, elaborated. Okay, first of all, for credentials, right? The credentials you need are small equipment mechanic trade certification. So that is what is needed for this job. Small equipment mechanic trade certification. So if you don't have that, you really need to look into having that. Like if you have the experience, if you're a small engine, a small equipment mechanic, right? Try and get this trade certification so that you will be open to all these job opportunities that are in Canada and also other countries actually. And then you need to have experience, working on diesel engines, right? And then for additional information, they need basic security clearance, they need a valid driver's license. And for work conditions and physical capabilities, they have here manual dexterity, attention to detail, hand-eye coordination, ability to distinguish between colors, bending, crouching, kneeling, fast-paced environment, handling heavy tools, physically demanding, right? So this job, I mean, this is a job where they need 1 to 2 years experience, right? So obviously you know what the job entails, okay? So these are just what it looks like, right? This is just what the job conditions and is going to look like. And then you need your own tools. Your own tools you need for this is your steel-toed safety boots. So you need your own steel-toed safety boots to work on this. And then for personal suitability, you need to be client focused. You need efficient interpersonal skills, you need excellent oral communication, judgment, organized reliability, and team player. So what they're offering you, they have healthcare plan, they're gonna pay for gasoline, and then there's free parking as well. So if you want to apply for this job, you feel like this opening sounds like something you want to do and you qualify for actually, then go ahead and send your application to this email address here. And they do require that you send your cover letter as well with your application. So I always say when you want to apply for a job, ensure you have your cover letter with your CV, right? Don't send only your CV. Always have a cover letter attached to your application as well. So if you want to know how to write your cover letter and your CV, I have videos for that. So you can check my channel for those 2 videos. They're going to be helpful. I share tips that you can use to write your cover letter, for every profession. You just have those tips and template that you can use as well. Okay, so next up here is a food counter attendant. And this particular job role is one where you can apply for different immigration programs in Canada. So you don't specifically need like visa sponsorship from the employer. You can just get the job offer and then use it to apply for immigration programs. So this particular one is in Saskatchewan, right? And I've shared numerous immigration programs from Saskatchewan on my channel. So you really need to watch the Canada playlist to get to see all these programs and how you can apply for them. So every video I post is connected to another, right? So if you're a regular, viewer of my videos, then you would know how to put the pieces together to facilitate your relocation. All right, so this one, this particular one, no degree, no certificate, no diploma is needed. So there is no education requirement at all. So anybody can apply for this job. And also experience is not needed. They said they will train. So anybody and everybody that is interested in this, if you feel like this is something you can do, then you can go ahead and apply for it. So relocation cost is covered by the employer. You must be willing to relocate. And the task for this job, now you need to really pay attention to this to see if it's what you want to do. So carrying and replace linen, clear and clean tables, trays, and chairs, replenish condiments and other supplies at tables and serving areas, package takeout foods, portion and wrap foods, serve customers at counters or buffet tables, take customers' orders, receive, unpack, and store supplies in refrigerators, freezers, cupboards, and other storage areas, sweep, mop, wash, and polish floors, receive payments from customers. So these are the tasks for this particular job. So if it sounds like something you want to be doing, then go ahead and send your application to this email address right here, okay? So you can see here that this job is open to, first of all, Canadian citizens and permanent or temporary residents of Canada. And then it's also open to other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit. So other candidates here are people that are not Canadian citizens, not permanent residents, not temporary residents of Canada. So if you see this sign, it means that it's open to everybody around the world, not just people inside of Canada. And those are the kinds of jobs I share here. So the links to these jobs are going to be in the description box. So you can go ahead to this website and search for other jobs that you can apply for, other roles that you can apply for. There are so many jobs, thousands of jobs that are there. Just look for the ones that are for foreign candidates outside of Canada and apply for them. I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up. That is a like, so others that need this kind of information will get to see the video. All right. And also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.